Hello everyone, we introduced this one today. It's a 3-roller coating machine. 3 rollers. That means it can do 3 different colors. Then, let's explain how to use it. This is the main screen. Power indicator, alarm switch, power switch, emergency stop switch. This is the first roller. A function introduction. This is the small iron roller. The speed of the small iron roller. Speed of the rubber roller. And the speed of the rubber wheel. This is the speed of the third roller. And the speed of the rubber wheel. If the speed of the conveyor belt is 10 meters, the speed of the rubber rollers must be 10 meters. The speed of the small iron roller. The faster the speed, the larger the amount of paint. The slower the speed, the smaller the amount of paint. Then, this is the start switch. Height setting. Enter the height you want. Click Start. Click Start. Now we explain the method of oil flow on the top. Check this air pressure gauge. There is knob between 0.2 to 0.4. Then open and close the valve. See if the oil tank is in place. See if the oil tank is in place. We need to tighten the two wheels. Crank tightly. The distance between the small iron wheel and the big rubber will be tightened. Pass the valve and start painting. After painting, see if there's any backflow. If the paint flows back into the bucket. If the paint flows back, then we can turn on the wheel switch. He has completed the oiling action. Touch screen. After touching the position and then look at the meter. Is it in place?